hybrid subcompact SUV. Punta lang tayo sa showroom, dito sa Toyota San Fernando. 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross SE. Yung price, 1,690,000 pesos. Okay naman yung design ng front fascia. Medyo hawig lang sa previous model ng Corolla Cross. Bago na yung front lower bumper. Mas sporty yung dating. May front camera. LED yung headlamps with DRL. LED rin yung fog light. 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. May camera for panoramic view. Equipped din to ng blind spot monitor. May keyless or smart entry sensor. Medyo mataas na rin yung ground clearance. May under-engine cover na plastic. Check natin yung interior. Black perforated leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Padded leather naman yung armrest. Power window switch, pero driver window lang yung automatic. Equipped din to ng ambient lighting na pwedeng palitan yung color. Maganda to kasi hindi ka lang nakastock sa one color. Leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering na to, kaya expect nyo na magaan. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Digital screen na yung instrument cluster. Push start ignition. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman. Medyo mataas yung ride height. Kita pa rin yung hood ng konti. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 10.1-inch infotainment screen. Walang volume knob, pero may touch control naman. May built-in dashcam na rin to. Digital na tong rear view mirror. Useful to, lalo na pag loaded ka ng passenger or gamit. Single zone automatic climate control. Para sa ganitong price range, mas okay siguro kung dual zone na to. May 2 USB port at wireless charging pad. Yung transmission, CVT. Naka-electronic parking brake. Padded leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Medyo maliit lang yung storage space, pero may 12-volt socket naman. Hindi nga lang dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Equipped din to ng moonroof. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Padded leather yung armrest. Power window switch, pero hindi automatic. Black perforated leather seats. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Okay naman yung space, medyo maluwag na rin. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, pero hindi naman sobrang taas ng hump. Sakto lang yung foot space sa middle seat. Yung seating position, okay lang. May AC vent, 2 USB-C port. Okay naman yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. At reclining seat din naman to. Yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa. Check natin yung cargo space. Okay naman yung design ng rear end. May additional plastic trim lang dito at yung lower bumper. LED yung taillight. May reverse camera, parking sensor. Equipped na to ng power liftgate. Malaki na rin yung cargo space. May compartment light. Pati na rin tong underfloor storage. Malaki yung space. Ganito yung spare tire, donut. Check natin yung engine bay. 1.5 liter hybrid gasoline engine. Walang available for test drive. Kaya hindi lang ako sure sa engine performance. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.